Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let me show you how to create customer segments in Intercom step by step. First, go to Contacts in the left sidebar, click the Segments tab. Click the blue Create Segment button. This opens the segment builder. Now, choose your conditions. For example, select User signed up at and choose in the last 7 days. Add another condition like last seen is in the last 3 days. You can combine multiple conditions. Use all to match every condition or any to match at least one. Name your segment something clear, like active trial users or high engagement leads. Click Create Segment when you're done. You'll see the number of contacts who match your rules. Now use this segment for targeted messages, email campaigns, or automations. And that's it. You've built a custom segment to reach the right people with the right message. If you create segments, let me know what conditions you use most in the comments. See you in the next one.